This time is gonna take time. Ah, bully! Bully!
Mama.
Yeah? Come.
Yeah.
Come.
Okay.
Come.
Okay.
Come inside. Listen up. Come. Come inside. What if I make this boy? Umbabuna, he very, very serious. Umbabuna, he very, very serious. Why are you always so serious?
What be this?
Come.
Okay.
Kakwan, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm good.
Where were you? Where did you go to?
Yeah. I went to wash the car. You know we have to leave
Why
anytime.
do you have to wash the car?
But that's my
Don't
job.
we have washers for that? Don't we have people that wash the car?
Mama, no.
They do. I employ them. I employ the people that wash the car.
I know you do.
Employ. Yes or no?
Yes.
I did. So why did you wash the car?
I want to stress them.
You didn't want to stress.
Make sure the car is ready.
This is my point. Every single time, it be too serious.
That's what you pay me.
Bulldozer, Mecca. Do you remember when I gave you the name Bulldozer? Do you remember? It was a fateful day. Ibia for interview. Unfoge. You were very angry. You were very, very. You were angry. You were so angry. You said, Bulldozer. In actually, do you remember this conversation?
I remember, man.
You remember?
I remember.
You do. You do. Okay. Would you drink? Have drink with me.
Mama, I don't drink.
But you again. Don't worry. There's nobody in the house. I'm not going to work tomorrow. Everyone is. Udo they go school. Udo has gone into the university. So everyone is out of the house. So have wine with me. Have wine.
I'm drinking.
But you again. Have wine with me. Okay. So tell me about you.
Mama, you know everything about me now, from head to toe.
Maybe I do because I am Madam Gold. Chicken. No. That man's name must leave my mouth. I am Madam Gold. No, Miss Onatuja. Miss Onatuja.
Mrs. Owner.
Hey, Miss Onatuja.
Miss Owner too.
Yes. So tell me about your girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Let's have it.
Mama, I'm single and searching. I don't have a girlfriend.
You don't want?
You that had a baby mama one time.
Mama, forget that girl. That was a long time ago now.
Okay, what's your type? Let me find you a girlfriend. What's your type?
My type?
Mm-hmm.
Type as in, I don't understand.
You don't want?
What kind of women do you like? See you.
Mama, I love them, a bit older.
Older. Okay.
Let me phrase that. Older.
No wonder more. You're really looking at me. Oh, bully. Oh, bully. So tell me, when did this crush start? When did this your crush start?
Well, it was when you employed me, but now it's more like a modern son. But I still like you.
Yes. Let's do shots.
Short?
Mama,
I'm sure that's okay.
I insist that you must do shots with me.
Short.
Kene, I am the one that employed you. I'm get employed, and you must do shots with me. Yes, shots. Let's do shots.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. I got you.
I'm not drunk.
I know.
I'm not drunk.
I got you.
I'm just tipsy.
I got you.
I'm not drunk.
Okay.
Let's do shots.
Okay.
Yes, cheers. Let's drink some more. Some more shots. Take. Yes. Cheers.
Oh, it's very strong.
I feel like watching a movie. Do you feel like watching a movie?
Yeah, I do. What movie do you have in mind?
Oh, one movie they said that Genevieve Onaji is inside. Let's go and watch the movie.
We love Genevieve Onaji.
I love Genevieve Onaji.
Easy.
Okay.
I got you.
Wanya.
Let's go.
Wanya.
Let's go.
Is this your glasses?
Yeah, that's my
It's fake. It's cheap. Is it Dior? Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
I'm the first. Yeah. Cheers.
Are you playing?
Mama.
Today has been fun.
Yeah, I know. Mama's here. From the innermost part of my heart. I truly want you. And in fact, I love you.
Bulldozer! Bulldozer! Look at me. Look on mine. Bulldozer! What are you making this? What's the time? 1 p.m. For 11 a.m. meeting. What are you making this? I'm giving you 10 minutes to come out. I've been calling you since morning and you're sleeping. 10 minutes to come out. What are you making this? And the man.
I dream.